Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give you a quick summary and walkthrough of unboxing and setting up the brand new P3 laser by Xtool. Inside the laser are going to be a lot of your accessories, such as your IF2 fan, some connector hoses for your fan, and also a couple other accessories such as your toolkit, some extra screws, your antifreeze liquid, and a funnel that you'll need for later in the installation process. Now that everything has been successfully removed from the laser box, you want to remove the little screws that hold the laser module in place. There should be 4 of them, one on the left side of the box, one on the right side inside the box, and one on each side directly next to the lasers. Make sure to find all 4 of them. The first time when I did this, I accidentally didn't see one, but once you try to move the laser module back and forth, clearly you'll find any ones that you've missed because it won't let you move the laser back and forth. Next, just grab the access control key, put that on the left side of the laser machine. Make sure the emergency switch is reset. Finally, just move the laser back and forth, up and down to make sure it moves smoothly and nothing's blocking the way. Next, it's time to add the water and antifreeze into the machine to make sure the laser both keeps running coolly, but also doesn't freeze during the winter time. In the quick start guide, you'll see a handy chart that tells you about what the ratio of antifreeze to water should be. Make sure you're using purified water that removes all the chemicals, even additives, basically just pure H2O. Anything else may ruin the machine. So check out to see what ratio you need between the antifreeze and water. Then on the back, there's also, if you look, a little gauge that kind of shows you about how much you'll want of each as well. So either calculate it out or use the gauge in the back and fill up the machine to the max line and you should be good to go. Next thing I did, which wasn't in the instruction manual, was install the CO2 cartridge. There's a little slat at the back left corner of the machine. Open that up, twist it in, good to go. Next, go back and grab the power cord, untangle it all, get it plugged into the back of the machine. Plug it into your outlet and you're good to go with that. Next, grab the IF2 fan, get the 2 hose adapters connected to that, and get it connected to the back of the machine and all plugged in. You don't need to vent it right away since we're not running the machine yet, but get it ready to go so you can plug it in or vent it out when needed. Make sure you plug it into the machine, go in the right direction as well so the airflow is actually pushing air out and sucking it from the machine, and not the other way around. So double check which side is the intake and which side is the outtake. Now grab your laptop, plug it into the laser. Make sure you have the Xtool Studio software downloaded so you can get it all connected. It's going to run you through some setup processes and connect you to the machine. It's going to help you calibrate everything, make sure everything's aligned, make sure the laser can move back and forth. Just follow all the instructions as they pop up on your computer. Pretty straightforward. If you run into any issues, check online to see if there's a solution. Xtool also recommends to make sure everything's working properly or reach out to them if something isn't working. So make sure that everything is going as planned. And if you do run into any problems, document it. Stop moving too far ahead in the solution setup process. Make sure everything is running as it should. Then you should be good to go and actually start testing the laser. But make sure everything is running smoothly and you're following all the steps on the screen as they come up. After everything's set up and working properly, we're going to actually fire the laser, which is cool, and make sure the laser is actually aligned. So grab your masking tape, cover up the little laser on the laser module. Just follow the instructions on your screen and you're going to run that test. Make sure to remove the masking tape when you're done, otherwise it will burn when you try to run laser projects in the future. The goal of the masking tape test is to make sure that all the lasers align, so once you run it, you're just going to make sure that the little burn mark is in the center of the little laser circle. If not, you're going to have to do some calibrations to move the laser around so everything is straight, but hopefully it works the first time. You don't have to make any big changes. Everything should be set up and ready to go to be used. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.